Are you looking for the best glass canisters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best glass canisters that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. ComSaf Glass Food Storage Canister. Some buyers like to invest in a good-looking product. That's the key factor in choosing the product. If you fall into that category, you would like the ComSaf Glass Food Storage with a cork lid. The design is unique, and it is available at an attractive price. The borosilicate glass does not trap odor and is non-toxic too. The BPA-free product is safe for storage of food items. The food inside the jars stays safe, moisture-free, and fresh. You can take a quick glass inside the jar as it is crystal clear. If you would like to gift someone this product, we would totally recommend it. The product is good-looking, durable, airtight, and pocket-friendly. The 1,240 megaliters capacity allows you to store as much food as you like. Number 4. Premium Quality Plastic Apothecary Jars. The premium quality plastic apothecary jars are durable and versatile. Why just keep it in the kitchen? You can easily keep it in the bathroom, outdoor, or any room in your house. At the end of the day, it is your wish. You can store cookies, bakery items, pulses, rice, and flour in this good-looking glass canister. Please note that the product is made of clear acrylic. The removable lids are sturdy and the product itself has a durable construction. We personally love the design of this glass canister. It comes in a set of 3. Some people might find it expensive, but it does the job and is highly appealing to human eyes. Number 3. Glass Canister Set for Kitchen or Bathroom. Here's a product that can help in storing all your dry food items. Let's store candies and cookies in this good-looking glass canister. It comes in a set of 3 and has a unique design too. The versatile glass canister can be kept in the kitchen or the bathroom. The product is highly durable and is made of high-quality glass. You do not want something that breaks too easily. Hence, this glass canister set is a must-buy. You can all the contents with ease as the glass canister is clear. Chalk and labels are included for marking the food items. It helps in sorting your kitchen items or things you store. For a modern or traditional kitchen, this product is perfect. Number 2. ComSaf Glass Storage Canister Set of 3. A modern kitchen should have glass canisters for easy storage. Plus, it looks appealing to the human eye. If you want to gift someone an attractive set of glass canisters, this product will be a top recommendation from our end. It is a perfect Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Thanksgiving gift. The product is safe within the dishwasher and can be used for storing all kinds of foods including biscuits, pasta, pulses, and coffee beans. The product contains different sizes of glass canisters. The sizes capacity are 500 megaliters, 1000 megaliters, and 600 megaliters. Number 1. Glass Kitchen Canister Set of 5. If you are looking for affordability and efficiency, this product offers both. The cost is low, and you get a set of 5 canisters. All of the canisters are not of the same size. You get an assortment of the sizes. In some canisters, you can keep pasta, and in the others, you could keep treasured spices. The seal closure is airtight, which keeps all the moisture and air away from your food items. Storage has never been so easy and convenient. Note: glass is safer than plastic. Hence, this product is worth the purchase.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.